Okay, yeah, many kind of applications, right? Compressors, pump, conveyors, lifting gear, tube wells, lathes, drills, grinders, polishers, wood planners, fans, blowers, laundry washing machines. So, as pumps is used for agriculture process and conveyor systems transporting the material, am I right? And the lifting gear for the construction field and the tube wells. Yeah, these are all we saw about in our villages, am I right? So these are all tube wells and lathes and drillings, grinders, polishers, wood planners, fans, blowers, laundry and washing machines. So these are all main important applications of scroll gauge or induction motors. Next, coming under double scroll gauge, compressors pump, reciprocating pumps, refrigerators, crushers, boring mills, textile machineries, cranes, punches, lathes. So these are the pumps, reciprocating pumps, refrigerators, large refrigerators, crushers, boring mills, textile machineries, cranes, punches, and many other. Okay, where the starting torque high applications needed, that and all we will use double spool cage induction motor. Next we are going for the slip ring induction motor. It's a high starting torque and large overload capacity. The speed of the slip ring induction motor cannot be changed up to 50% of its normal speed. So 50% we cannot able to change, அதுக்கப்புறம் change பண்ண முடியாது. So this is also used in lifts, pumps, winding machines, printing presses, line shafts, elevators, and compressors. Okay, as lift, pump, winding machines, printing, shaft, elevators, compressors. This is what elevators and lift, winding machines. முன்னாடிலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they are used in man, they are used to wind the uh, maybe starter, rotor, they are used to winding in handmade, okay, in the motors. But nowadays, these winding machines is usually very easily winded. That means stator and rotor windings. Next, printing presses, line shafts. What do you mean by line shafts? Here, the single shaft which is attached or coupled with another shaft. So if you are running one single shaft, it is able to rotate another shaft is also. Due to that, this attached with some other load or applications, it is easily working. So multiple purposes. So one motor is running, due to that one shaft is rotating, that shaft is attached with another shaft. So due to that, each shaft having some separate applications, so it will be easily multiplied users. Okay. Next, elevators. Next, DC motor applications. As electrical vehicles nowadays, many motors is coming under electrical. That means many vehicles is coming under electrical vehicles. So that's one of the upgrade generation electrical vehicles, lifts, hoists, and electro locomotives. What is electro locomotives? Any ideas? Train, electric train. That is what electric locomotives. Steel rolling mills, forts, lifts, cranes. So these are all DC series motors. That is what electro locomotives. Next, DC shunt, lathes, vacuum cleaners, woodworking machines, laundry washing machines, elevators, conveyors, grinders, small printing presses, etc. Okay. Another compound DC motors, compressors, centrifugal pumps, rotary presses, circular shafts, shearing machines, elevators, continuous conveyors. So these are all rotary presses in the previous ages, and circular shafts, shearing machines or metal cutting. Then DC permanent magnet motor, robotics. Already robotics synchronous motor is also used. That is why I told that for each application many motors can able to use, but depends upon the needed, depends upon the torque, starting torque, depends upon the load capabilities, we can change the motors. So robotics, servo systems, and brushless we can use fans, pump, compressors. Okay, so that's all about it, guys. That's all about the basic introduction of what is electrical machines, and that means how it is used in our real time and industries applications. So these are all things we discussed in these sessions. So from next class onwards, we can discuss about three-phase induction machine. Thank you.